We carry big equity give the people of Mbaise village at Imo State as Obarawa engineering fuelless generator 2 kVA was installed for them on the 25th of December 2024 on Christmas Day. Keep watching.
Good day, everyone all over the world. Depending on where you are watching from, this is Owerri at Mbaise, Owerri, Imo State in Nigeria. The journey is so far on the way from Lagos. We are here to power a very big 2 different building with our 2 kVA fuelless generator. This is eastern part of Nigeria. Keep watching as we take you through the installation process of the video. This type of 2 kVA generator we want to install is off-grid design system designed to supply electricity daily, every day without stop. This house in this community, you can see it is a rural area. Actually, there is national grid, but no power supply in the national grid. Our product, as you know, is good for both rural area and city. It supplies electricity because it is safe power generation system. So this is a fashion that runs with little amount of solar panel, different from the conventional solar system. This is our own configuration system that supply daily power into the building totally. So behind me is the compound that we supply electricity to. So we are about to commence the installation. In the video, we will take you through the installation process and the test running process, and you will see to the end. Keep watching.
This one now, brand new kakaraka. We just come out from the production room from Obarawa Engineering Company at the arrival of the product at Owerri Mbaise. You see, now the nylon engineer the tear so as the installation to begin now. This 2 kVA now won't get power supply. We could power the 2 different apartments.
Yes, today on the 25th of December, the Christmas day at Owerri Mbaise, this 2 kVA fuelless generator 2000 watts of Obarawa Engineering Company. We are there to install this now.
All of the beautiful ceiling fans you are seeing on the screen were manufactured inside the factory of Obarawa Engineering Company. They are 25 watts each. This is the front of the house that we want to install the products, and that is the chief engineer on the rooftop. They have already installed the solar panel. Those are the roofs of the building that is to be powered. You can see by the side of the screen, engineer is adjusting the pipe of the ceiling fan because they are too long as the installation of the ceiling fan continues. These are the ogbonge fan them. Where we say it go the chop taking electricity na 25 watts. It go the consume each, and the bridge where they come out there na better bridge. This is the finished installation, and you see say the fan beautiful wella, and they blow wella. They go even give you code in the night if you know low the speed them. You fit buy this fan on obarawaengineering.com, www.obarawaengineering.com. That one na our ogbonge website where you they see on the screen. So as the installation continue, them all the lighting, all the fan them, it done the work wella. This na another sitting room. This is a living room. May we show you the bulb. You see say the lights shine wella, and this one na the ceiling fan where we go test for you now inside another sitting room here. You see say the fan they blow and not they make noise. The fan beautiful wella, and now checking the money, log into obarawaengineering.com to buy the ceiling fan. If you want to use the ceiling fan in your house without buying the fuelless generator. We fix only the ceiling fan for you.
Now it is time to show you the installation of the DC compressor into this freezer, as the freezer has been installed with the fuelless generator. Keep watching.
So this is our work in Owerri, Mbaise for Owerri. So yes, we have installed DC compressor 12 to 24 volts. So I'm filling gas here lower by R600 gas. R600 is very important because R600 will not consume much power and it will not produce more heat. Very light. It consumes lesser power. So this is the complete installation of the generator. So it's 2 kV fuelless generator. So this is the extractor fan. This is the front upper output, the second output. This is the 220 volt output indicator. So as the back, let us go to the switching system. So this 2 terminal here is where the power that comes from the solar panel enter into the device. So you can see output voltage, power on. This switch is to control the output, the 220 volts output that will make this indicator show. This indicator, when this circuit breaker is pressed up to the hub, the 220 volts indicator will show. So this 16 mm cable here is the one that take the DC current into the house. So the generator is designed to work with national grid petrol generator and also work with its own energy being generated. So you can see input voltage, power on. So if you connect to national grid, to NEPA petrol generator, you want to use it together with it. In this installation, this socket is connected to national grid and petrol generator. There is a knife switch that will be used to select between petrol generator and national grid in the passage. So the plug here take 220 volts from petrol generator or national grid, which one being selected by the manual changeover that will supply energy here. This plug take the energy into this socket. It's already written there, input voltage. So when the input voltage enter, there is automatic changeover inside the generator that will automatically switch it into all the sockets. 220 volts supply into all the sockets in the house. So if the clients don't want the 220 volts, the power coming from national grid to supply to the bulb, to the freezer and to other things apart from the socket, so this switch can be turned off. This switch is off. So this way the 220 volts will only supply into the socket. So if the customer wants the power coming from national grid to supply to the license bulb fans into everywhere, this switch need to be on. The moment that switch is on, the power from national grid will switch into the bulbs, fans. As there are some process, the 220 volts coming from national grid will pass through inside the generator before coming out. Because you know this is DC bulb, 12 volts DC bulb. Direct 220 volts cannot be connected to 12 volts DC bulb. It's going to damage it immediately. So there are some stepping down process and conversion process is passed through before going to the changeover, before supplying into the lightings and fridge in the house. Now this compressor is used. This compressor will be installed in the freezer. This is DC compressor, 12 to 24 volts compressor. You can see. If you are familiar with DC compressor, when you see this compressor driver, you will know this is DC compressor. Small but mighty. It's very small but mighty. It's energy efficient. The energy consumption is 60 watts. 60 watt energy consumption. This saves up to 90% of energy being consumed by the previous compressor designed to work on 220 volts, because those ones were constructed by induction motor. That's why you see those compressors using capacitor.
This is night period at Mbaise Owerri, and this is how Christmas look like in the village them. You see say our generator have already supplied electricity into the houses them. Everybody they happy, wella. The freezer they cool the drinks where the villagers they take coolele their mind for the Christmas season them. May we walk you around outside. May you see how people they use our generator. They jollificate their life inside the place them. This is not the sitting room where we say people they drink, they eat, and outside where they go. So may we show you how people they play music them. You see say the music they go seriously and people they happy them.
So thanks for watching. You have seen how the installation goes. You have seen the freezer working, the surrounding lights, the fans, and the sound. You can see the entertainment going on as the people use electricity, using our electricity to celebrate Christmas, because this is the Christmas season on the 25th of December year 2024. So if you want to buy this generator, log into oberawoengineering.com, www.oberawoengineering.com, and make your purchase. If you want to make any inquiry about the fuelless generator, click on the comment section on this video and drop any comment you have, or you contact us through our official WhatsApp line +234 8074 639 Thanks for staying with us throughout the year. Love you all. See you next time.
That's good.